Welcome to our guide on how to become a habitat engineer, the pioneers of sustainable living on Mars. You know, when we look up at the night sky, at that red dot in the vast expanse, we often ask, could we live there? And the answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. But it won't be easy. It's going to take brilliant minds, dedicated engineers to build a new world on a planet that's, well, not quite like ours. That's where you come in. This video will chart your course to becoming a habitat engineer and transforming that red dot into humanity's second home. Every great journey begins with a single step, and in our case, that step is education. To build on Mars, you need to master the fundamentals of engineering right here on Earth. Think about it. Civil engineering for designing structures that withstand Martian dust storms, structural engineering to build resilient habitats that can handle the lower gravity, or aerospace engineering to tackle the challenges of atmospheric pressure and radiation. A solid foundation in any of these fields will equip you with the tools to conquer the red planet's unique challenges. But we're not just building houses, are we? We're building a future. Your education shouldn't stop at the basics. Delve into the fascinating world of sustainable design, closed-loop systems, and advanced materials. Remember, resources on Mars are limited, so efficiency and ingenuity are your greatest allies. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to specialize. Think of it like this. You wouldn't send an astronaut to space without specialized training, right? The same goes for building on Mars. Look for programs that focus on space habitat design, Martian geology, and closed-loop life support systems. These programs are your astronaut training, equipping you with the skills to not just survive on Mars, but to thrive. And hey, while you're at it, why not immerse yourself in the world of space exploration? Attend conferences, join online forums, and connect with other aspiring Martian architects. Who knows, you might even bump into an astronaut or two. Chapter 3. Earthbound Training Grounds, Simulating the Martian Experience. All right, future Martian architects, it's time to get your hands dirty. Look for opportunities to work on Earth-based projects that mimic the challenges of building on Mars. Think about it. Designing habitats for extreme environments like Antarctica or underwater research stations. These experiences provide invaluable hands-on training, allowing you to test your skills in environments that, while not exactly Mars, are pretty darn close. And don't underestimate the power of simulations. Organizations like NASA and SpaceX are constantly running simulations to test the limits of human ingenuity in space. Volunteering for these simulations not only enhances your practical knowledge, but also puts you shoulder to shoulder with the best minds in the field. Chapter 4. Your Martian Credentials, Certifications for Spacefaring Engineers. Now, to prove you've got the right stuff, you'll need the credentials to back it up. Look for certifications in space engineering, sustainability, and even project management. These certifications are like badges of honor, demonstrating your expertise to potential employers and proving you're ready to tackle the challenges of building a Martian civilization. Remember, the field of space exploration is constantly evolving, so never stop learning. Pursue advanced certifications, attend workshops, and stay updated on the latest advancements in space habitat technology. Your Martian resume should be as dynamic and evolving as the red planet itself. Chapter 5. Lifelong Learning, Staying Ahead of the Martian Curve. The journey of a habitat engineer doesn't end with a degree or certification. The field of space exploration is constantly evolving, fueled by new discoveries and technological breakthroughs. Think of it as an ever-expanding universe of knowledge. Stay curious, attend conferences, devour books, and immerse yourself in the latest research on Martian geology, resource utilization, and sustainable living. And hey, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Engage in discussions, challenge existing paradigms, and contribute your own innovative ideas to the field. After all, we're not just building habitats on Mars, we're building a new future for humanity. And that requires boundless imagination and a thirst for knowledge. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a habitat engineer, ready to build the future on Mars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more out-of-this-world career guides. Remember, building on Mars is not just a job, it's an adventure. It's about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity, exploring new frontiers, and ensuring the survival of our species. So gear up, future Martian architects. Your extraordinary journey awaits. Keep looking up, and who knows, maybe one day we'll be neighbors on the red planet.